Hi all, welcome to the 7th video of Searching and Sorting series. Today I will write a program to find a missing and a repeating number in an unsorted array of n natural numbers. Let's consider this simple example of sorted array of n natural numbers where n is equal to 6. As you can see, number 2 is repeating at index 2, replacing the number 3. To solve this problem, I'll make use of one more array S to track the status of each element in the array A. First, we will initialize all of the elements of this array with false, and then we will traverse the array S and replace the false with true for each element of A. So we will write S of A of 0, which is S of 1, equals to true. Similarly, the S of A of 1, which is S of 2, will also become true. Now the S of A of 2, which is S of 2, is already true, which means the element at A of 2 has already occurred before, and thus it will be the repeating element. So we will check if S of A of I is equal to true. We'll assign the value of A of I to R, which is 2 in this case. So this is the first part of this question where we have found the repeating element. Now we will talk about how we can get the missing element, which is a very simple way. By end of the first loop, all the values in the array S starting from index 1 would be true except the one which is missing. So we will traverse through all the elements of array S starting from index 1 and then return the index as we find any false element. So if S of I is equal to false, M or the missing value would be equal to I, which is 3 in this case. The time complexity of this algorithm would be big O of n. Now let me write the program. So here I am defining two variables, which is repeating and missing, and I am assigning them to 0. Also I have defined an array of boolean which is of size n plus 1, and I am assigning it the value of false. So here I am writing a for loop to iterate through all the elements of the array A, inside which I'll write status of array of I is equal to true, and if this status is already true, I will assign the value of array of I to the repeating variable. Then I'll traverse through the array S starting from index 1 to n. And set the value of I to the variable missing if status of I is equal to false, and then I'll terminate the loop. Here I have initialized an integer pointer array with size of 2, and I'll set the variable repeating in the 0th index and missing element in the first index and then return the response. Now let's compile the program. And the result seems fine. So let me submit the code, and you will see that all the test cases have been passed. So that was it for today. Please like and comment on the video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.